ji. Okay, Sujata ji, the fact is that, you know, if the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party are providing these list of freebies and calling them welfare measures, I don't see them as welfare measures. 5 रुपए का आप खाना दे रहे हैं, क्यों? 80 करोड़ लोगों को तो आप दे रहे हैं ना फ्री राशन, तो 5 करोड़ रुपए का खाना देने की क्या जरूरत है? Where is the need to give women 2500 rupees when you can, you know, create opportunities and make their life better? Free cylinder 2 बार देने की क्या जरूरत है? These are not welfare measures. These are freebies. This is a political option to buy votes. But my point is, Sujata ji, even the Congress is doing this despite knowing what has happened to them in Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. In Karnataka, you don't even have the money to buy food grain from the Food Corporation of India because you've made such long list of promises. Even the Congress is doing exactly what the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party is doing.
Shreya ji, good evening to you, to my fellow panelists and to your audiences. Now, let me get this very, very clear that India is a welfare state, but tomato bade mazedar, tomato bade mazedar, मगर टमाटर लोग समझते हैं. भारत की जनता टमाटर की बात करेगी, भारत की जनता अपने दिक्कतों की बात करेगी, और कांग्रेस पार्टी has always delivered not in the form of freebies, but going through the entire measure that it wants to offer. And I will give you one simple example. Today, the Prime Minister is giving out free ration to 81 crore people, and he says that he's giving it out. But the fact is that on 29th May 2007, the National Food Security Mission was started. And after that, and what was it about? It was that there was a target of increasing the production of rice, wheat, and pulses so that this could become a right for people. And, you know, it met with a thunderous applause, and the targets were met brilliantly. After that, the National Food Security Act was brought into place by the UPA government. And therefore, when we make a promise, we prepare for it. And today, what are the problems that the people of Delhi are facing? The problems are the problems of women, the problems of the youth, the problems of every person as far as medical health is concerned. So medical and health is a top priority, and our youngsters who are, there are so many cases of suicide, due to unemployment, there are cases of mental health problems are there. So when we
Sujata ji, you have not answered my question.
Women, no, I'm just telling you, hear me out. You haven't given me a chance, I've waited.
You can call those schemes 3 different things, but the fact is it's a freebie.
No,
it's a bribe for your vote. That is what it is.
No,
someone is offering 2,500, someone is offering 2,100 under different names. But it's a bribe to buy votes. It is not a welfare measure.
Not at all, Shreya ji, because people of Delhi have already experienced Delhi under Sheila Dikshit ji's government. And they know that whether it is tomato or tomato, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party are only making a fool of them. And as far as delivering is concerned, it is the Congress party which delivered in terms of the flyovers, in terms of making the situation better for Delhi. CNG came in at that time, and you know how many petrol pumps came in at that time, right? So when we talk about something, we are talking about the problems of people and how we're going to solve it. And of course, the problem that you're talking about, we'll have to find a solution to that.
But just look back to what has happened in Karnataka and all the promises that were made and how the government doesn't have the money to fulfill it. The same thing is happening in Himachal. The same thing is happening in Punjab. You overpromise, you give better, bigger, sweeter remedies. Well, you can promise anything. You can promise the sun and the moon as well. But paisa kahan se aayega? By the end of it, you end up going bankrupt. And is this what freebies are ultimately going to do to India? Push us into bankruptcy? Just look at what we are doing to our country in the long term via these remedies. These remedies are not good for India. You, of course, can have your own view. We leave it there for the moment. Vijay Sardana, thank you very much. Sujata Paul, thank you very much. Nitin Tyagi, thank you. And Preeti ji, thank you very much.